Sarpanchis of the different village panchayat, deputy sarpanchis, Zilla Parishad chairperson, deputy chairperson, as well as the Zilla Parishad members, we have hiked the salary by 50%. So it will be made effective after the coming cabinet meeting. So even this has been done.
मायल्साचे तिसरे, चौथे, पांचवे आणि 6व्या मजल्यार पंचायत खात्याचो कारभार चलतलो. हे सुवातीचे म्हयन्याक 9 लाख भाडे.
I just wanted you all to take a tour of the new place what we are going to shift into before end of December. We are going to in fact try to shift as soon as possible. For a long time the Panchayat Directorate of Panchayat was waiting, we'll get a new place. It was not happening. Finally the Honorable Chief Minister consented. He was kind enough to allow us to shift to this place. Now the thing is, the old premises that was there was not only congested, there was no place even for the staff to move around.
पंचायतींची कामां बेगोबेग चालीक लागची म्हूण खातें स्वताचो टेक्निकल सेल करता. सध्या खंय पंचायतींच्यो फायली PWDत अडकतात.
Funds used to remain unutilized. What was the procedure? To give one example, to prepare estimate, go to PWD. Files used to never come back. Then the blame game between the directorate and the sarpanches or the panchayat. Now we have planned to have our own technical cell. We have planned to have our own vigilance department, so that we don't depend on other departments. In fact, we are trying to be self-sufficient in terms of functional autonomy to achieve the desired result and to have all-round and fast development. Now, if we are having this technical cell so that we prepare the estimates fast, and whatever proposals come from the panchayat, we want to clear it as fast as possible and allow them to do the work in the panchayat.
इलेक्शन लागीं येता तशें पंचायत खात्यातूय हालचाली सुरू जाल्यात. मावीन खंय रोखडोच सगळ्या पंचायतींची भोंवडी करपाचो आसा.
In fact, I wanted to start my tour much earlier. I did not start because simple thing, we did not have village panchayat secretaries. There was a shortage. Now we are in the process of recruiting. Moment that is over, I will start, because the minimum they will ask, we don't want a full-time secretary, and this was not possible because we did not have the staff. I think both the things more or less I will try to coordinate and synchronize in such a way. We move to the new premise, we move to the villages, we move to the panchayats. You will find a new awakening in the working of the panchayats.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.